Hey guys, welcome to Login Up. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Google Drive account on your PC. And now let's start right in. Now, log into your Google Drive account on your computer online. First, open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click there and type in drive.google.com like this, and hit enter. Or you can just simply search for Google Drive on the Google search itself, and there is that you can see personal cloud storage and file sharing platform Google Drive. If you go over there, you can see from the first site we are on the direct login page of Google Drive, whereas from over here we are on the home page. Now to log in, you can see you can click on go to Drive directly, and the similar kind of sign up page opens. So let's close this, and from over here you'll be required to enter your email as this and click on next and enter your password. After that, click on next, or if you have forgotten your password, simply click on forgot password to go through a procedure to retrieve your password. With that being said, click on next, and there guys, you have successfully signed into our Google Drive. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.